Let's take a quick look at the Tikom L8000 robot vacuum and mop. This smart cleaning device offers impressive features for efficient home maintenance. What I really like is the 360-degree LiDAR navigation system that creates accurate maps of your home, allowing for systematic cleaning paths and the ability to store up to 5 different floor plans. The pros are the powerful 3000 PA suction that effectively picks up dust, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces, the long 150-minute runtime on a single charge, and the ultra-quiet 45 dB operation. It also offers 14 no-go zones and 20 virtual walls for customized cleaning, along with app control for scheduling and monitoring. The only con is that the water tank for mopping might need frequent refilling for larger spaces. Overall, I'm impressed by how the Tikom L8000 combines advanced navigation, strong suction power, and smart features in a compact package. Whether you have carpets, hard floors, or pets, this robot vacuum and mop can handle it all. Click the link in the description to bring home this versatile cleaning assistant and enjoy effortless floor maintenance.